Metrico team designed a solution to digitalize and automate the weighting procedures that the company performs to collect, dispose, recover, and recycle waste and fill out the relevant forms. The client's old Weighbridge was replaced with a digitalized Weighbridge thanks to Metrico WeightIT software. The new 18-meter Weighbridge consists of two 9-meter Weighbridges in sequence, which can work as a single Weighbridge or as two Weighbridges, allowing the weighting of tractor and trailer transporting two differentiated products in one step. Cameras allow tractor and trailer license plate reading. These allow operators to have two separate license plates automatically associated with the weight. WeightIT software connected to customers' intranet gives the ability to weigh from different locations and/or personal computers, having all the information shared. Weigh from a simplified location for drivers arriving outside office hours. Quickly and securely archive all open operations, waiting for a second weighing or close. Manage vehicle archive with predetermined noter, performing a single weighting to calculate the net. Simplify weighting procedures. A fast printer was then inserted into the weighting system to replace the traditional tag printer. Thanks to the Metrico WeightIT software, the company has improved the work process with precise procedures and objectives, reduce waiting times, reduce waiting vehicle queues, reduce stress and errors, improve intercommunication and sharing of information among the employees.